Hey guys, hello and welcome to another video. So in this video I am going to talk about that how you can embed any OmniScript with any button. Basically there are two ways. One way is we can directly use the OmniScript action, and the second way is that we can create a velocity action. So in this video I am going to talk about both of them. So first of all let's use the first one, that how you can embed any OmniScript with the OmniScript action. So we have this menu button here, and which contains edit account action. This is the one. If we will edit this button, so we cannot edit this right now because this card is activated. So first of all we need to deactivate this card. After deactivating it, let me go to this action properties. So initially we were calling the sample one, which was opening the edit account. So let me show you that. If I will go to this, and we have a menu. So if you don't know how to create a page like this, so I have already created a video and you will find the link of that video in the iCard. So if I will open this OmniScript, it will open a sample edit account OmniScript, which is not having any sample data or anything. This is just a sample one, so it doesn't contain any data. So let me change that. So we already have this edit account data OmniScript, which we have already created. So we need to activate this. So it is activated, and we need to go that account card, and then we need to go to that action, and then we need to edit the properties of that OmniScript action. So here that action type is already OmniScript, so we just need to change this OmniScript. It was using the sample one, so I will select the one which we have created. So I will select edit account data. So this is the one which we have created and it is activated, that's why it is getting populated here. So I will select this and I will save this, and I will go to my account details and I will refresh this. So this is showing that this card is not activated, so we need to activate that card. After activating it, we need to refresh this page. So we have this card now, and once we will click on that OmniScript action, it will open that OmniScript. So after clicking on that OmniScript, it is opening the OmniScript which we have created, not that sample one. After clicking on this, if you are not getting this same thing, like if you are getting that sample one, so for that you need to go to the setup, and here you need to search for the debug. You need to select this debug mode, then you need to select your own user, and then you need to click on this enable. After enabling this, you need to go back to this, and here you need to refresh this page. If you will refresh this page, you will get something like this, a green button here. After clicking on this OmniScript, if it is opening that same sample one, not going to this the OmniScript which you have created, so you need to click on this, and then you need to clear the storage. So you need to click on OK, and then it will clear the storage, and then you need to reload the page. Once you will reload the page, it will work fine. This is all about the first way of calling an OmniScript with the button. The second way is we can create a velocity action. So we don't have that velocity action here, so we can open that from here also. We can search for action and we will get this velocity action. And if you don't want to open it from here, we can also go to this, and we need to edit this. We need to add more items, and here we need to search the action, and we need to click on this plus, and then we need to add it to the navigation item. Then we will save it, and here if you will click on this, if it will show the velocity action. So we need to open that, and we need to create a new one. So before creating a new one, we need to go to that OmniScript. On the right hand side, if you will click on this drop down, you will see something like how to launch. So we need to click on this. This will give us a URL. So we need to copy this URL after this slash. After the force.com, we need to copy it till the end. And you need to make sure that you are copying the Lightning URL, because we are working in the Lightning environment. So we need to copy this, and then we need to go back to the velocity action, and here we will create a new velocity action. So we need to name that. So I will name it as account OmniScript, and on the target URL we need to paste that same thing what we have copied from the OmniScript, and at the end we need to append ampersand, and then we need to write C underscore underscore 2 times underscore, and then the context. C should be capital, context I should be capital, and D context ID is equal to the curly braces, and inside that we need to put 0. So we need to append these things at the end, and in the URL parameter we need to write I capital and D, and we have something like applicable type. So we are using this for the account, so rather than choosing all, I will use only account, and the other option is like the available profile, so I will choose all the profile. And we need to make this active, so I will make this active. We can also like name this, so I will name it as OmniScript, and at the end we have two options where we want to open this. So I will select new tab, new window, and the link type. So we need to select the link type. So we are providing an OmniScript link type, so I will select this and I will save. After saving this, we need to go to that account card, and to make the changes we need to deactivate this card, and then we need to go to that action. We need to edit the properties. So here we have the action type as OmniScript, but this is not an OmniScript anymore, this is velocity action. So I will select this, and we need to specify the object. So we are using the account object, and in the action name I will use the account OmniScript, which is what we have created, and I will save this. After saving this, I need to activate this card, so I will activate this. If I will go there, and I need to clear this data, and once I will refresh the page, if you will go to this menu and will click on this OmniScript, it will launch the same OmniScript but with different way. The first way was we were directly using the OmniScript action, and in the second way we were using the velocity action to launch any OmniScript. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to my channel.